And now the last thing I want to look at here in this tutorial is how to borrow money on Nexo and use your crypto as collateral. The reason why you might want to do that is maybe you are in need of some cash, but you don't want to sell your crypto because you want to keep the upside potential for holding it. So here on Nexo, we can get basically instant loans without having to go through any credit checks. And there's also no origination fees, and we can actually get an interest rate of as low as 0%. Now, the interest rate that we're going to get for our loan depends on two factors. The first one being your loyalty level. So the higher you are in the loyalty tier, the lower the interest rate will be. So for a base level, you're going to get a 13.9% interest rate. And then if you are in the platinum tier, you're going to get a 6.9% interest rate, which is already a lot better. There is also a possibility to even get a 0% interest rate. And to get that rate, you're gonna need to have a very low LTV ratio. So what that means is that you're gonna have to be of an LTV ratio of below 20%. What that means that if, for example, you would want to take out a loan of $1,000 worth of funds, then you're gonna have to post collateral worth at least $5,000. So that's basically how you can reduce your interest rate for your loan. So now let's actually go through taking out a loan here on Nexo. Again, we're going to start on the account page right here. And obviously to take out a loan, you're going to need to have some funds on your account that you can use as collateral. So as a security for Nexo, that you will be actually able to pay back your loan, because if you weren't be able to pay back your loan or your interest payments, then Nexo could just sell your security and then they would get their money back that way. So in my example here, I hold most of my portfolio on Nexo in Bitcoin, which gives me the possibility to take out a loan of a bit over $3,000, because the loan to value ratio of Bitcoin for Nexo is 50%. So here on this page, you're going to see all the loan to value ratios for all the different assets that you can use as collateral. As you can see here, for Bitcoin, it's 50%, the same for Ethereum, and then it goes down. For the more riskier assets, the loan to value ratio is going to be lower. So again, if it's 50%, if I hold $1,000 in Bitcoin, I can take out a loan of $500. For Litecoin, for example, if I hold $1,000 of Litecoin and use that as collateral, I can take out a loan of $300. I'm going to leave this page here down below in the description so you can see exactly how much collateral you have to lock up to take out the loan that you want to take out. So then that gives me a credit line. So because I have around $6,000 worth of Bitcoin, I can take out a loan of around just a bit over $3,000. The available credit that I have left is just over $3,000 because I've already taken out a small loan just to see for myself how the process works. So now, if you want to take out a loan, what you're going to have to do is go to the account page, then scroll down and then click here on the borrow button. Then we can decide on what kind of loan we want to take out. So we can either take out a stablecoin loan for US dollar Tether or USD coin, USDC, or we could also take out a fiat currency and just have it paid out to us via a bank transfer, just like this. Just as an example, I'm just going to take out a loan for US dollar Tether. And so I'm going to choose US dollar Tether right here. And the minimum amount is a $50 loan. So what I'm going to do is just type in 50 US dollar Tether right here, agree to the terms, and then I'm going to click on withdraw. Then I have to confirm right here. And there we go. It's actually that quick. So now I have taken out a loan of $50 in US dollar Tether, and this $50 US dollar Tether is now deposited onto my account. So when I go back to my account right here and I scroll down to my assets, I can see that my balance of US dollar Tether increased by $50. And now you can do basically whatever you want with that loan. You can just transfer it out of Nexo and just use it to trade on another exchange maybe, or you can just keep it here on Nexo to earn some interest on it. Now, a couple of things to note are that if you want to pay back the loan, you can do that whenever you want to. However, if you're going to pay it back before a 30-day period is over, then you're going to pay the interest rate for the first 30 days. So now if I pay back my loan, I'm still going to pay the interest rate as if I had the loan for 30 days. So that's something to note. And then the other thing is, when you go back to your account page and you go to the asset that you have used as collateral, for example, for me, this would be Bitcoin, and then I click on this manage wallets icon, then I can see that a certain amount of my Bitcoin has actually gone from my savings wallet into the credit line wallet, which means that everything that is in the credit line wallet is now locked, so I can't withdraw it. And another thing to mention here is that I'm not going to be earning interest on whatever I have here in my credit line wallet. So whatever you post up as collateral, you're not going to be earning interest on it, except if you were using the Nexo token as collateral, then you would still be earning interest on your collateral.